Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT, PGT, LT grade, English grammar and other English grammar associated exams as a practice at 11. Let's start. Question number 1. Choose the right option which expresses the meaning of the word imminent. Imminent means घटित होने वाला, घटित होने वाला. Option A, about to happen, will not happen, old, original. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be about to happen. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Correct form of the sentence I wear no malice blank space anybody is. I wear no malice on anybody. I bear no malice against anybody. I bear no malice in anybody. I bear no malice over anybody. What will be correct answer? I bear no malice against anybody. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition. Distribute the sweets blank space Ram and Suresh with between two for. What will be correct answer? Distribute the sweets between Ram and Suresh. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. What is the antonym of confidence? Confidence means sahas. Saki means asthir. Diffidence means sansay. Discordance means विसंगत. Fickleness means चंचलता. So the option B will be the right answer. Antonym of confidence. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Complete the following sentence by choosing correct word. Put the book blank space the table on upon in over. What will be correct answer? Put the book upon the table. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Choose the most appropriate word to fill in the blanks. I am annoyed. Blank space him. Blank space what he has done to me. With against. With for. By in. At for. What will be correct answer? I am annoyed with him for what he has done to me. So the option B will be the right answer. With for. Next question. Sometimes we have to put blank space with irksome or pleasant situations. Up, off, in, on. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be sometimes we have to put up put up with irksome or unpleasant situations. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. In the given question below, 4 sentences are given. By using these, you have to frame a meaningful para. Choose the correct order from the 4 alternatives. See the option. Meaningful para. See the option. Option P, option Q, option R, option S. Option R is traditionally a submarine was seen as an underwater self-propelled platform best suited to target service vessels are. Next, with increasing sophistication, it was also used to hunt and kill enemy submarines. Q. Next is third is, in both cases the target was sea-based. P. Next is, with the introduction of nuclear powered submarines armed with long range ballistic missiles, the underwater platform could acquire targets far away on land. S. RQPS. See the option. RQPS. RQPS. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Read each sentence to find out whether there is any error in it. Their error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. The number of that part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is D. Question 9. It has been better. Option A. To put your money in a bank, that to keep it under. Option B. Your bed in a suitcase. Option C. No error. Option D. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be option A. Is used instead of has. So the option A will be the right answer. Next question. He telephoned from a public call box. Option A. So that the call. Option B. Would not be traced to his one address. Option C. No error. Option D. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be option C. Would not, will not use instead of would not. So the option C will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you so much.